So as you seen in the previous video, I was doing a little tire change in the little garage. Just left my house for now. I'm at the garage. And yeah, let me just show you. Door number 1. 2. Door is closed. Sink obviously. Shower, downstairs shower that is. Mirror, and where all the shit happens. Literally. Toilet paper to clean this shit up after. So we're gonna open this door like this. Door number 1 that we opened. I got my tires right there. Had rims there, but the rims are gone. Got rid of those rims. Got some more tires there. Gotta switch those. Some stuff there. That's where the vehicle goes when it's getting fixed and whatnot. It's a very empty garage. Still have to put a lot of stuff in here. Cleaning stuff and whatnot. Yeah. So we're gonna close this door. So this is the actual big car garage. But the other cars, which you'll be seeing later on in the video. One car anyways. Well, will be parked here. So we can close this door. Open this one. Let me bring my dog down in here and show you what's in here actually. Now we have it here. It's already covered for him. He's gonna love it. Just like that. And that's how we do it when it's done. Put it right there. Video. This is just a couple days later, but long story short, son had fun with it. My sons, my daughter, they all had fun with it. Burned it out. I did too, but I mean, burned it out. So that battery, this battery here, this battery here is a very strong battery. Off camera. So this battery had a lot of power, and I don't think you guys can really see it on camera right there, but it says 30 WH. So this battery had a lot of power, also 20 volts. They were doing donuts and stuff, but this battery died. This is the charger for that battery, and it's dead. So what I ended up doing, why it's hoisted up here in the shop like we said, is because I ended up doing that, connecting these wires, connecting this, connecting that. So this slides in to this battery. It's 14.4, which is a downgrade in power, but it still does the job for now until I can figure out how to fix this one.